Welcome back, guys. We're doing another unboxing today. Okay, we got I believe cobra cord, starter cord guaranteed for life. Then put down the pressure washer. Then we got a nice hat and a nice shirt. What else we got? Oh, we got a sticker, a nice sticker. That's about it. So, good. This was a quick unboxing. So, big thanks for Cobra Cord for sending us some stuff to review, and I'll make a install video of that rope on the pull start. So until next time, guys, catch you on the next one.